It is reported that public street lighting in urban areas still leaves several problems, such as public street lighting facilities and infrastructure are not available, as well as public street lighting electricity bills that are in areas of up to billions of rupiah. Apart from these problems, there are also human concerns about the energy crisis. More than 80% of electricity generation in Indonesia currently use fossil fuels. With the current consumption pattern of fossil fuels reserved in Indonesia, this fuel is expected to run out in the next 60 years. So, that the government has begun to pay attention to the development of renewable energy. Indonesia government has target vision of renewable energy of 25% by 2025. However, in fact, renewable energy development effort to that only contribute around 14%. This is partly because the renewable energy sources being developed are still quite expensive to build.
Therefore, to get public street lighting that is cheaper and easier and also contribute to renewable energy, we need to overcome this problem. Let me introduce our team from Indonesia for the reason design of public street lighting installation based on piezoelectric material modified with LDR sensor on speed bump.
The electric speed bump technology consists of main plate, spring, battery, and piezoelectric plate. Between the battery and the street lighting is modified using light-dependent resistor sensor, which is later called LDR. LDR is type of resistor whose value changes depending on the intensity of light received, and is utilized in this technology as an automatic switch. When it is bright, the LDR will prevent the flow of electricity from flowing to the lamp. And when it is dark, the LDR can flow electricity to turn on the lamp. The use of piezoelectric materials can produce large enough potential difference that is widely used as high voltage source. The working principle of piezoelectric is reversible reaction of electric voltage generation due to deformation in the form of pressure or stretch. The working mechanism of this technology, namely the pressure received by the main plate, will short on the spring, which result in pressure transfer to the piezoelectric plate due to changes in the conductivity of the piezoelectric material structure. The electricity generated will be stored in the battery, which will be used as energy source for street lighting.
Our experiments show that the electric voltage greater as the pressure increases. The value of the voltage given by a 6.89 Newton weight is greater than the variation of the other weight. In addition, the data show that electric voltage will be great after the frequency of the wave hit the piezoelectric material. Of course, this can be potential because according to bps.go.id in 2018, the number of motorized vehicles in Indonesia reached 146 million, so that this application can contribute to electrical energy through the amount of pressure applied by motorized vehicle on speed bump technology.
The result of our research had been published in the National Index Journal Physica Flux with serial number ISSN 2541-1713. In addition, our research has been published on website Jenderal Sudirman University, patent process, and also national and local media. An example, ednews.id, Radar Banyumas, and Satellite Newspaper Post. That's all from our group. We are proud of the product by students.